nice.
Samot, okay.
There's no chill and yet I
Yung nga kaya nasuot yung mat.
There's no flame and yet I burn. I'm not sure what I'm afraid of and yet I'm trembling.
Join me in the middle of ecstasy. Feel the melody and the rhythm of the music.
Oy, who's that? Oh, I think they're coming in.
I'ma take
Oh, Derek. It's Derek.
Magbigay ka ng example kung kanino ka kasinta ba?
Oh,
Hindi ka
I was 198 pounds, so
Sino yun?
I wish I could show you the pictures. They have it.
When was that?
Pictures. 2003.
Because of eating?
No, because of the treatment, combination with eating, and
Ako yung before.
you really fat before.
Yeah.
Doon niya?
No. 190.
Lan, did you like your food? Bite. They're like, ang ganda ko.
Relax, Rafael.
You have to mix your money first.
Makain ka na naman.
Hello, sir. Oatmeal po. Oatmeal po.
Okay. All right, everybody here.
Gather. Let's all gather.
Arnie. Arnie. Sino nag-drawing niya? Ikaw, Christina?
R-C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song.
Ano ba usually, di ba, si Sir Broad
Broad shoulders. Tapos
Arnie.
drawing mo yung may skull para malala niya yung jacket niya.
Living room lahat. Larnie, living room.
Little po yun. Di ba parang feeling niya mga 90 pounds lang siya. Di ba? Yes, Arnie, tulog ka ba? Okay, ganito. This is the second portion of the contest. Okay, now this is the second portion of the test. Okay? Isa-isa kayong tatawagin like before. Okay? To go into the media room to face the three mentors. But this is all about the public perception of you. Okay? Now that you are, whether you're aware of it or not, kung alam nyo man ito o hindi, dahil exposed na kayo sa publiko for the past 7 weeks, may mga perception na ang mga tao sa inyo. Okay? At i-confront namin sa inyo kung ano yung mga perception ng tao sa inyo at kung ano ang tingin ng media sa inyo.
Mahirap po yun.
Hindi. Kakausapin namin kayo para tapos, because kailangan yan, that's bahagi ng trabaho. Bahagi yan ng trabaho. Tandaan ninyo na bahagi ng trabaho natin yung audience, kung ano nakikita sa atin ng audience, kung ano ang tingin ng audience sa atin, at kung paano nyo i-handle kung ano ang perception ng audience sa inyo. Okay? Now, ganito lang, alphabetical ulit tayo. Umpisahan kay Apple, after Apple, si Boogie, after Boogie, si Mommy, okay, all the way down. Okay? Pero, ganito ang usapan. The moment you finish, natapos kayo sa media room, pagpasok ninyo, diretso kung sino man yung tapos na sa boys room. At hindi pwedeng kausapin ng kung sino man na nanggaling na sa kwarto yung ibang mga scholars sa labas. Okay? Diretso kayo sa boys room. Okay?
Hindi po babae, sir.
Pati babae, lahat diretso sa boys room. Okay? Doon maghihintay lang. Okay? Huwag kayong matakot. Okay? Dahil kami lang naman din ang kakausap sa inyo. At maganda yung may yung alam nyo na ang perception ng tao sa inyo. Yes,
Kami po yung magsasabi kung anong tingin ng tao.
Oh, hindi. Kami magsasabi.
Okay lang po yun. Akala ko kami.
Hindi.
Ang hirap naman.
Loka-loka! Paano sabihin nakakulong ka rito?
Ano niya alam?
Kung may sarili daigdig ka na naman.
Bingo!
Bugoy, bakit mo nilalamutak yung mukha mo? Hindi na mag-iiba yan. Ganyan na yan. Okay? Okay. Masama yung ginagawa mo. That's bad for the eyes, ha? Huwag mo dinidiin mo yung...
Kung ginaganyan mata ko, sir.
Masama yun, masama. That's gonna damage ang... Naku, damage yung wag. Okay? So, unahin natin si Apollonia, ha? Huwag ka na magbihis, huwag na kayo mag-heels nung ano mo, ha? At uupo lang kayo, then we're going to talk to you. Okay? After Apollonia, si Boogie. After si Boogie, si Mommy. After si Mommy, sino? Si Chris, after si Chris, si Manyakis, after ni Manyakis, si Lian, John, okay? Alright, relax. Okay, uli ka Apollonia, you're victim number 1, okay?
Sabi ko na nga.
Don't you ever go away. It'll always be this way.
Kulayan natin ang buhok.
Sanay na po sila, sir. Hala, nagpasabog.
And I am calling you. I'm not wrong. You know, you're the best man I'd ever know. There's no way I can ever go. No, 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 no way. No, 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 no way. I'm leaving without you. I'm not leaving without you. I don't wanna be free.
If I can bite your nose off, you can bite me.
Listen, Mama Mia.
Ano iniisip mo?
Listen,
Alam ko iniisip mo.
in my own home.
Sige, pero mukha siyang bata.
And I try to say what's on my mind.
Ano ba yung nangyari na?
No, and he's telling us what the industry is.
Yun ba yun?
You should have known.
City.
Ulagan kaya.
Hala, kung sunod.
Hindi masyado
You should have known. You know, don't believe in you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm overwatching. You made me. I found a voice. You think you came to me, but now I'm gonna find my own.
Abutin mo, abutin.
Listen, I am alone in the crossroad. I am a toad in my own home. Hirap.
Abot mo nga eh.
Lumalaki kasi.
You should have known. Now I don't believe in you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than watching.
More than a what?
I'm more than me. You made of me a father voice. You think you came to me, but now I'm gonna find. But now I'm gonna find my own. My own. My own. My own. My own. Ay, wag. My own.
Oh, yan pa ang kailangan mong i-develop. Wala iba naman ang isip ng taong to.
Listen, I am alone in the crossroad. I am a toad in my own home. And I try and try. Lang hirap. Uy, turuan mo ko sa song ha.
Yun naman talent mo, Lisel.
Yun na. I-shift ko. You know, don't believe in you. You don't know. Chancing. Babe, oh, babe. Babe.
Alam ko, kahit ganyan lang. Dito lang ako.
Chivas.
Ito, paharap.
Bro,
Nangluod raw ako niya.
ano man?
Kaya wala ko kita niya.
Nangluod ka niya, kaya wala kita niya.
Nangluod ko, kaya nga nung galing siya ginpuranan.